Hey everybody, wanted to take a second here, show you a little update on Dad's car. Kind of got stuff back together, got the new bumpers, new grill, new filler. We got the 427 in here. We got the bottom of the hood painted. Got the top of the hood painted. Still got this side where it was goofed up with the fire. Been cleaning up on it a little bit, trying to get it ready for my brother's wedding. Still got to fix that little spot down there. I might actually be able to just do the rocker too. We'll try and see. We'll see how close he can get color wise. That's the Valpar paint on it. I'll show it in a second. Been cleaning on the inside a little bit. We got the deck lid. It was color matched with the Valpar. It's pretty freaking close. That deck lid fit pretty good too. But I had to end up running the cowl hood. That's the only way I could run an air cleaner with that motor. Once again, it's in a small block mount location. It's got the eBay stainless steel headers on it. Powder coated inner fenders, powder coated heater box, hood hinges. Take a second to shut this thing down. See the gaps, the lines on it. Pretty close. I'll be honest, the only stuff I had to fix on this hood, there was a place here where it was dent in shipping. So I had to do a little bit of polyester putty on it, sprayed it down, and then cut and buffed it. But now really all we got left to do is do the exhaust, put on the windshield wipers, and kind of button it up. My brother wants to go, me take him from his wedding to like as a reception in the car, so it'll be kind of cool. Not bad for old lacquer. I need to still clean up the door jambs, come in here, take a Brillo pad probably to it. It was super fine. But it is coming together. Looks pretty good. Alright, thank you for watching.